Hello and welcome. This is Surendra. I'm here today with Mr. Govinda Reddy, who is a senior manager in Trifecta Projects Limited, to discuss their experience with the Stelz Parking systems. Thank you for joining us today, sir.
Thank you, Surendra.
Okay, so my first question is, what parking challenges were you facing before implementing the Stelz Parking systems?
Before these equipments being installed, we were running shortage of parking spaces, and we could find wasteful space being underutilized. It was not orderly being used. Parking space was not optimally utilized.
Sir, what was your concerns while installing the Stelz Parking systems?
One is cost of implementation. The other one is we were thinking if this system installation demands any structural alterations, or is it possible to go with the existing system. We were worrying about that. And third one is adaptability of the existing users, how well they could get accustomed to the new systems.
Sir, my next question is, how was your experience while installation and as well as service process?
Well, firstly they did a due diligence, and then this pre-installation planning was very good. And Stelz has got a very dedicated installation team, and they deployed a well-experienced technicians to support this installation team. These technicians and installation team together, they installed these systems very well in time.
That's really great, sir. I'll definitely pass this positive feedback to the entire team. They'll be very happy with this. Thank you so much for that. Sir, my next question is, how easy to use the Stelz parking system on daily basis?
It's a very simplified equipment, very simple to use and very safe to use and user friendly. And the instructions and signages displayed over there, it is very readable, legitimately readable and useful.
This is the last question, sir. Would you really recommend the Stelz parking systems to others?
Yes, of course, I would recommend anybody to use Stelz parking equipments. But using these equipments, one can increase their car parking capabilities, and their service support is very reliable, and they are very supportive.
Thank you so much for your feedback, sir. I'm really happy to hear your feedback, positive feedback.